Are you still manually copying and pasting data between your spreadsheets every single day? What if you could connect them all and automate your entire workflow in just a few clicks? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are looking at Sheetgo, a powerful platform designed to connect, prepare, and automate your data across spreadsheets and business systems. Whether you're using Google Sheets, Excel, Google Docs, or Gmail, Sheetgo helps you build automated systems so your data stays organized and ready for business intelligence and AI. Let's break down how it actually works. Sheetgo is split into three main tools tailored to different business needs. First, there is Sheetgo Automations. This is built for analysts, operations coordinators, and spreadsheet power users. It allows you to connect files, sync data, merge multiple reports, and schedule automatic updates. You get to eliminate the manual work of updating sheets without having to build complex custom code. Next up is Sheetgo Workflows. This is designed for department managers and team leaders who need to standardize repeatable processes. With Workflows, you can design structured paths that consolidate your data, manage approvals, generate documents automatically, and keep all of your team's reports completely synchronized. And for larger organizations or those in highly regulated industries, there is Sheetgo Dataspace. This tool allows you to exchange data under strict governance frameworks. It features role-based access control, granular permissions, data anonymization, and full traceability that aligns with EU dataspace requirements. Security-wise, Sheetgo is highly secure, boasting SOC 2 Type 2, GDPR, and CASA Tier 3 compliance, which is why they're already trusted by over 5 million users. Now for an honest look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, Sheetgo is incredibly user-friendly, highly secure, and perfect for teams heavily reliant on daily spreadsheet tracking. However, please note that we don't have a broad set of independent user reviews in our database today to share specific user complaints or praise. But based on the official features, a potential limitation is that if your business relies on highly specialized legacy databases rather than standard spreadsheets in Google Workspace, you might need to check their compatibility list first. Overall, if you want to stop wasting hours on manual data entry and start automating your business workflows, Sheetgo is definitely worth a look. You can head over to sheetgo.com to start for free or book a demo to see it in action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more workflow automation tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use Sheetgo in your business. See you in the next video.